And this is our new channel, and we are gonna upload videos every week. Today we are ready for our unboxing of the RC Dinosaur series, the Ancient Kingdom of the Dinosaurs. It has an inside handle that is easy to carry here, and it is age 3+, and it has the RC Dinosaur series, taking you into the wonderful world of dinosaurs. It has the wireless remote control, realistic modeling, and simple operation. It has the Dinosaurs RC toys. So this is our purple dinosaur and wireless remote control. It says that it has the remote control, action, light, and sound. It is a wireless one with Wi-Fi. And at the side we have the Dinosaurs RC toys. That first one is a raptor dragon, second one is a triceratops dragon, and the third one is a stegoceratops dragon. At the back we have Dinosaurs RC toys, which is 3+. It has warning: this package is not at all a toy. To avoid any danger, please keep it away from babies and children. The package must be dismantled by an adult. So we have some Walking with the Dinosaurs pictures here, a Gorgosaurus, and then we have the T-Rex dragon at the side and the stegoceratops, and this we are going to open today. So we are ready for our unboxing. Let me take this. This is the company of Bastion, and it costs rupees 1,200 here. I'm gonna open it. One, this is number 2, and this is number 3. So we have opened it, and now we are going to open our wireless remote and our dinosaur. As you can see, there is a very nice diorama here, and so open our dinosaur. It's this box inside with 2 staples here. And at the bottom we have battery-operated battery instructions and battery warning and labeling. The dinosaur needs 3 AA batteries, and the remote needs 2 AA batteries. And this box goes. So let's cast straight here. This is our dinosaur that we're gonna open. It has built-in straps here that I've opened, and a staple is still here, so I can paste it on. This dinosaur has. So this is our dinosaur. We will talk it about later. Box. So it stands on 2 legs without any tail support. This box goes there. Okay, wait. And we have the wireless remote. So we have another thing here that just goes on with the packaging, like this. And we have the remote here. And we have the diorama that has a base 2 Gigantosaurus here, Brachiosaurus here, 2 Brachiosaurus here, some mountains, and another dinosaur here. So we keep the box aside, and we have our dinosaur. So we have a dinosaur here. It closes its mouth, and it just opens and closes its mouth. It has a very nice texture modeling, like its eyes light up. It has some brown color and a purple color. It has 2 noses, and the tongue comes up. It is a realistic dinosaur skin here that you will not find in other many dinosaurs, and a joint here that doesn't move. I think, yeah, it moves a little bit. And the sound space, this lights up. This thing lights up. So you can see this thing lights up. The legs move and it walks. It does not support its tail, and the hands move as the legs move, and this side too, the hands move as the legs move. It has a number of screws inserted here. These just look like bullet marks. Wouldn't they fill it? Just wang! Hello everybody, and this is our new channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And share too. So, we have our tail that goes side by side. Does not move much, but nice. And it walks on 4 legs, as you can see here. And its walking is very nice. And it has a remote control that is nice. Modeling texture of a dinosaur. Scales all over. 2 eyes as the remote controls. And teeth all over here. The dinosaur has textures over his eyes and it just looks like any other real dinosaur. Scales all over these things, and it has a mouth that has a purple color, and that's not good. It should be of red color because just like a real dinosaur. Yeah. It has a red spine over its back, just like a baby Spinosaur that walks on 4 legs, and some brown stripes, tiger stripes over here, and a fitting over here that fits the tail. Move it. Hey. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. The other side has legs that fix on like that, and these that help it to stand on 2 legs, just like this. It just has 2 legs, as you can see here. And on the underside, here we can put batteries. I've already put in batteries, and it's made in China. The hands move as the legs move. It's made in China, and we will open it. And you have 3 batteries here, 3 AA batteries. And we'll put it in. Hey! Get in, you. Okay. Why is it? Okay. We are done with this dinosaur. The in mouth is really cute looking at it. These tongue light up. Eyes are very big. And sounds come from here, the sound box. And these 2 light up. So now we will take up our remote. Hey! Don't fall down. No, you're not falling down. This is a wire, so it's wireless. Wireless. Hey! So, we have our dinosaur here, and this remote is gonna work really well. The batteries go on here, 2 AA batteries. I already fixed it. It has a screw, you can open it. I'm not opening it now, but it has 2 AA batteries inside. So, I'll be right back, and you can see the dinosaur just walking and making sounds. This is the walking straight button, and this is the reverse button. Only 2 buttons? Okay, fucking. I'm gonna eat you. I'm gonna eat you. This is too enjoyable. It's gonna be fun. Let's come back. So this is our dinosaur. We will take in the remote. Yeah. Put it here. And the dinosaur that we have. This box goes there. And the dinosaur starts with a button. 1, 2, 3 and start. Okay, wait. It makes a really nice sound, and its eyes light up very big, and its spine lights up. So, we're gonna start it. It makes a raptor sound, and this is a T-Rex sound. The spine lights up, and then we have our remote. This remote, we will walk straight button. If I press it once, it walks like that. And then if I press this button, it goes back. If I keep pressing it, it will just stand in front and walk. So we have our dinosaur here, and we are gonna press this button so it comes towards. It makes a really nasty sound. It walks. It goes back. And it walks. It's walking towards you. So that once. And goes in a curve, as you can see. pressing this button. So I keep it harder and works really well. It comes back as if in fear and then heads straight as if to attack. Isn't it nice? So I will just test it as it goes to the wall and turns. So I'm going to test it here. By pressing this button. So it's turning, yeah, it's turning. So I'll just turn it back. Oh, it's far away from the wall. This sounds like a raptor. And if I put it in the hand's mouth, oh, it's bites me! Hey, go back! Go back! By the dinosaur. Later, ice walk. I will just pick it up and show you once that how it works. If I press this button, it works like this. If I press this button, it works like this. And its mouth moves. And its legs move. Means are clear. So it's a really nice toy. So playtime is over and it's unboxing, reviewing and playtime. This dinosaur is really very nice. Best dinosaur I've ever had till now. It is still really there, and so this is a really nice toy with what it can fix it here. And I worked it with the wireless remote control. So, like, comment and subscribe and share please. Thank you.